Hello friends, welcome to Free Grammar Lessons. Today we will learn about the sentence and types of sentences. So let's get started. First of all, we have to understand what is sentence. A sentence is a group of words, but it is not enough. For example, it must contain three important characteristics. Number one, it must have complete thought. Let's see the example. Blue sky is the. It is group of word but do not conveying any meaning. Is it conveying any meaning? No. This sentence is a group of word but does not have any meaning. So it is not a sentence. The right answer is the sky is blue. Now we are able to get the color of sky. So this is meaningful sentence. So it is absolutely correct. So it is group of words which having a meaning, right? So this is a sentence. Now the second characteristic is it must have subject and a verb combination, right? Any sentence must have a subject and a verb combination. Let's see the example. Put the book here. In this sentence, you is implied as a subject and put is a verb. Now the third important characteristic is meaning. Meaning is the most important characteristic. On the basis of this, a sentence could be a statement, could be question, could be command, or it may be exclamation. On the basis of this meaning, the sentence is classified into four types. First one is declarative sentence, second one is interrogative, third is imperative, and the fourth one is exclamatory sentences. So let's begin with the declarative sentences. Declarative sentences always tell information and the facts about the subject, and it always end with a full stop. For example, a dog is man's best friend. In this sentence, we easily informed by the sentence that dog is always a man's best friend. The next one is the sandwich is very tasty. So in this sentence also easily we can understand that a sandwich is a very tasty. Now the next one is she is very beautiful girl. So it conveying information about the beautiful girl. Now the next type of sentence is interrogative sentence. An interrogative sentence always used to ask a question. Remember this thing, and it is always ends with a question mark, and it always begin with a double-fied words. For example, where, what, who, how, when, etc. It is always begin with these words. For example, who are you? Where is my book? How are you? Will you be my friend? Etc. And it always use interrogation mark at the end. Now look into next type of sentence, that is imperative sentence. An imperative sentence is used to give command or ask for request. It always end with full stop and exclamation mark, depend upon how forcefully you say something. If sentence is spoken more forcefully, then exclamation mark is used, otherwise full stop is used. For example, put the key in the drawer, wait for me, please leave your footwear outside. So whenever you give command or asking for help, imperative sentences are used. Let's look into the next and final type of sentences, that is exclamatory sentences. Exclamatory sentences are used to express strong emotions or feeling. They end with an exclamation mark. When you are surprised, or when you are happy, or when you are angry, you use exclamation to express your emotion. For example, that is a huge fish. Here we are expressing our emotion of surprise after seeing the size of fish. What a beautiful day. Here we are expressing our emotion of happiness after having a very nice day. He is such a nice boy. Here we are expressing our emotion of satisfaction after meeting a very nice boy. So exclamatory sentences are used in case of strong emotion or feelings. That is all about the type of sentences in this video. Now let's quickly revise what we have learnt in this video. First, we understood what a sentence is. A sentence is a group of words with three important characteristics. Number one, it describes the complete thought. Number two, it must have subject and a verb combination, though sometimes subject may understandable. Third, and very important, every sentences may have different meaning or thought to convey. Then we discussed about four types of sentences based on different thoughts. First, declarative sentences. We discussed about it gives information and always end with full stop. Second, interrogative sentences which are used to ask question and always end with a question mark. Third, imperative sentences which gives command or ask for request and always end with full stop or exclamation mark. Fourth, exclamatory sentences which express strong feelings or emotions and always end with a exclamation mark. That is all about sentence and its type. Thank you for watching. Stay connected.